Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and refreshing raspberry lemon smoothie that's perfect for any time of the day. It's easy to make, low in calories, and packed with vitamin C, so it's a great way to start your day or give you an energy boost during the day. Before we get started, let's go through the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of frozen raspberries. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. 1 teaspoon of honey. Start by adding the frozen raspberries to your blender. Raspberries are not only sweet and delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, which makes them a great addition to any smoothie. Next, add the fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice will give the smoothie a tangy flavor that pairs perfectly with the sweetness of the raspberries. Now, add the Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein, calcium, and probiotics, which makes it an excellent choice for a healthy and nutritious smoothie. Plus, it adds a creamy and rich texture to the smoothie. Finally, add the honey. The honey will give the smoothie a touch of sweetness that balances out the tartness of the lemon juice and blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Pour your raspberry lemon smoothie into a glass and enjoy. And there you have it, folks, a delicious and refreshing raspberry lemon smoothie that's low in calories, high in vitamin C, and perfect for any time of the day. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.